At the end of this video, you should be able to identify the basic characteristics of the inner planets. The second objective will be covered in 3 parts. After this Part 1 video, you should be able to start to compare the characteristics of the inner planets.
Chapter 27, Section 3, The Inner Planets. The planets closest to the Sun are called the inner planets. These planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. The inner planets are also called terrestrial planets because they are similar to Earth. These planets consist mostly of solid rock and have metallic cores. The number of moons per planet varies from 0 to 2. The surfaces of the inner planets have bowl-shaped depressions called impact craters that were caused by collisions of the planets with other objects in space. Mercury. Mercury, the planet closest to the Sun, circles the Sun every 88 days. The ancient Romans named the planet after the messenger of the gods who moved quickly. Mercury rotates on its axis once every 59 days. Images of Mercury reveal a surface that is heavily cratered, as is shown on the screen now. The images also show a line of cliffs hundreds of kilometers long. These cliffs may be wrinkles that developed in the crust when the molten core cooled and shrank. The absence of a significant atmosphere and the planet's slow rotation contributes to the large daily temperature range on Mercury. During the day, the temperature may reach as high as 427 degrees Celsius. At night, the temperature may plunge to negative 173 degrees Celsius.
At this point, you should be able to identify the basic characteristics of the inner planets, and you should be starting to be able to compare the characteristics of the inner planets.